Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the phone ready. Confirm your plan supports tethering and that you have decent cellular signal. Once done, plug in power if battery is low and unlock the phone. Navigate directly to settings, then network and internet, then hotspot and tethering. This puts you in the control panel. Make sure Wi-Fi and mobile data are on. Next, locate the mobile hotspot toggle. Don't turn it on yet. Instead, check the hotspot name and password so you'll connect smoothly in the next step. You now configure the hotspot so devices can join securely. Tap on hotspot name to set an SSID you'll recognize, then pick security and choose WPA2 or WPA3. This prevents unauthorized access. Create a password with letters and numbers. Avoid simple sequences. If your phone offers AP band, pick 5 GHz for speed or 4 GHz for range. Optionally set a device limit to conserve data. Once settings look right, toggle the mobile hotspot on. You finish by connecting your other device. Open Wi-Fi, find your hotspot SSID, and enter the password you set. Once connected, test connectivity by loading a web page or streaming a short video. This confirms both link and data. If connection fails, make sure mobile data is still on and airplane mode is off. As a quick fix, toggle the hotspot off and on, restart either device, or check your carrier's tethering allowance. These steps resolve most problems without deep troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.